The very first thing you want to do is go to chatbot.com and click the big Get Started for Free button. This will sign you up via Facebook, so make sure you have an account. This is the bot overview. It lists all your chatbots and lets you create new ones using the plus button over here. Let's try it. Okay, here we can give our chatbot a name. Let's give it tutorial. And then we can choose between our templates. Let's do tutorial bot for now, so you can quickly get an idea of how easy it is to get your first chatbot up and running. Create a chatbot. And here we go. This is where all the magic happens. I'll explain it to you later. For now, let's just test this bot using the Test This Chatbot button at the top right. Here we go. We are at the Chat Fuel Test Your Bot page on your phone and can test it out.